News that we are tracking coming in from the state of West Bengal now. It is with regards to the RG Kar verdict. It is the CBI versus the Bengal government. That's the new tussle that is taking place in the state of West Bengal. The rapist killer escapes the news. CBI and the West Bengal government are now fighting. CBI says Bengal government cannot appeal against the verdict. Only prosecuting agency can appeal. This is what the CBI is saying in a statement. It was the Bengal government that had moved the High Court seeking death penalty for the rapist. The CBI says this was our probe, no Bengal government role in the entire investigation. My colleague Nalini is now joining me on the story. Nalini, a CBI versus the West Bengal government. That's the tussle that we are seeing in the state of West Bengal, and this is with regards to the verdict that was given by a CBI court. They had said that in their verdict that only the prosecuting agency can make an appeal. The Bengal government is saying that they want death penalty for the rapist. The CBI on the other side saying it was our probe and there was no role of the Bengal government.
Well, Aishwarya, essentially what happened during the course of the hearing today is that the CBI opposed the appeal that was filed by the state government, and they said that the state government was actually not authorized to file the appeal in the case since the matter was probed by the CBI. But at the same time, what the state government stated is that the initial FIR in the case was filed by the state government. It was only at a later stage that it was transferred to the CBI. And additionally, law and order is a state subject, which means it falls under the domain of the West Bengal government, which is why the West Bengal government has the authority to file this appeal. Now, what the court has decided is that they are going to hear both the CBI, they're going to hear the victim's family, which is the deceased's family in this case, and they're also going to hear Sanjay Roy, who was convicted in this case, before deciding as to whether or not the appeal by the state government should be admitted. So we can expect for the hearing on Monday. Along with that, the lawyer for Sanjay Roy has also got permission from court to meet him inside the jail and to get his wakalatnama signed, so that on Monday when he appears before the court, he can place his arguments on behalf of the convict. So Monday is when we're expecting for further developments. It remains to be seen whether or not CBI is going to go all out and oppose this death penalty that has been demanded by the state government before the High Court or not.
So, Nalini, the next crucial date will be Monday, because as far as we know, the CBI very clear, this was our investigation, no role of the Bengal government. The Bengal government, however, had knocked on the High Court's door, and now they are saying that they want death penalty for the rapist Sanjay Roy. Can you hear me, Nalini?
If you could repeat your question, Aishwarya, please.
So, Nalini, this tussle that we are seeing, the next crucial date, as you were mentioning, is Monday, because that's the day when the court will hear all the three sides. But the CBI maintaining that it was their probe and Bengal government had no role in it.
Well, absolutely, Aishwarya. The reason why the court has decided that is because the question is now being raised on the maintainability itself of the appeal that has been filed by the state government. Because not only will the convict, which is Sanjay Roy in this case, oppose the appeal that has been filed by the West Bengal government because they're demanding death penalty against him, but along with that, we're also seeing the CBI oppose this appeal, and they are saying that the state government is not the right authority to approach the court and demand the death penalty. Remember, this appeal was filed by the state government before the Calcutta High Court, just merely days after the verdict had come in from the trial court, where Sanjay Roy was granted life imprisonment. And the logic behind the state government filing this appeal, they say, is that it should be categorized as a rarest of rare case in which death penalty should be granted to the convict. But at the same time, considering the fact that CBI themselves is opposing them, it remains to be seen whether or not the High Court will even admit this appeal in the first place to hear detailed arguments. So before that happens, they are going to hear the arguments on behalf of the CBI, on behalf of the victim's family, as well as the convict in the case, before deciding what needs to be done with the state government.
Thank you, Nalini, for giving us those details. The next crucial date in the state of with regards to the state of West Bengal is Monday. That's when the court will hear the CBI, the state government, and the accused Sanjay Roy.